What is up, everybody? Ivan here. Now, Bitdefender has been one of the most prominent names in the cybersecurity space and has a really strong reputation. However, does it really live up to its hype? In this comprehensive review, we're going to be covering Bitdefender's pricing, features, use case scenarios, and see exactly if it's going to be right fit for you in terms of security. Whether you guys are a beginner or a seasoned user, this review will go ahead and help you guys figure out if Bitdefender is going to be the right option for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, one of the very first things that I noticed when getting started with this platform is how easy it is to install it and get the whole thing running. If you guys want to play around with the system yourself, there's going to be a free trial below in the description. Now, once you guys have clicked on the link, you got to ask yourself this question: what type of computer do you guys have? If you have a Mac or Windows, it's going to determine which version you guys are going to download. So if we scroll down right over here, there's going to be two different options for us. So keep scrolling. There's going to be the one for Mac, right, in the iOS, and then there are going to be more complete versions that have all of them included, but I have a Mac, so I'm going to download the Mac version. Once you guys are here, press learn more, and once you guys are here, press the download free trial, and you guys are going to be ready to get rolling. Now, once you guys have installed the platform, here's how it's going to look like. It is going to be a little different on the Windows version just because Apple already has some pre-built features when it comes to security. On the Apple version, as you can see, it looks pretty neat and straightforward. There's going to be the dashboard, protection, privacy, and different scans that we can do to make sure that our system is safe. But right off the bat, the system runs 24/7, making sure that nothing attacks your guys' computer. There have been a lot of independent tests done when it comes to Bitdefender and its capability, and it comes out with flying colors. It catches pretty much any type of malware, so you guys are in good hands. And when it comes to scanning, there are going to be a couple options that you guys have. Depending on the version that you guys have, there are going to be 4 total. There's going to be a quick scan, which is going to be very fast and brief for security checkups. A system scan that's going to be a lot more comprehensive that can kind of see if there are any threats within your guys' device, as well as a custom scan where you can go ahead and choose the exact file and it's going to see if there's any threats within it. And lastly, there's going to be the vulnerability scan, and it's going to see if there's going to be any outdated apps, passwords, anything in that nature. Again, the way that the platform looks and feels is going to be a tad different when it comes to the iOS and Windows. However, majority of the core features are going to be intact. And when it comes to Bitdefender, the really juicy part is when it comes down to its advanced features. As I mentioned before, Bitdefender's Shield captures threats 24/7, so you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to your guys' devices. But in addition to that, there's going to be features when it comes to web protection with this traffic light or even anti-ransomware, where we have save files or even time machine protection. So if you guys have any files with sensitive information and you want to prevent those unauthorized changes to them, I'll go ahead and opt in right over here, and that's going to help you with it. And in addition to that, Bitdefender also comes in with its own VPN. So remember that file you guys downloaded? That should have been in there. And if we go ahead and open it, it's honestly one of the best because it can help you guys prevent ads and trackers, as well as help you guys with secure traffic, and even has the activate kill switch button. And it's pretty straightforward to use. After you guys have allowed it in the settings option, all you got to do is just press connect, press allow, continue, and you guys are going to be ready to rumble. As you guys see, it's pretty easy to use and it protects you 100% of the time. And if you guys need help with blocking trackers, you can also download the extension for either Safari or the Google Chrome. And honestly, there are so many other tools like the password manager that can go ahead and protect your guys' passwords, your guys' credit card information, which makes it a no-brainer because all of you guys' security efforts are centralized in one place. And when it comes to pricing, there are going to be a lot of different options here for us. And it kind of depends on what devices we have. If we have more than one device, and it can consist of your guys' like phone, computers, Mac, Windows, I would just go ahead and have this account right over here, Bitdefender Total Security. It's going to give you guys 5 device protection for $59.99. It's going to have all the features included there. That's going to cover you guys' Windows, Mac OS, Android, or even iOS. And other things that we talked about, like the password manager or the VPN, are going to be there as well. However, if you guys want more of the advanced features or you have a lot more VPN traffic, then I'll opt in for the premium security, the ultimate security, because that's really going to be the big difference. There are going to be a couple more advanced features that they have, as well as the unlimited VPN traffic feature. However, if you guys just want something simple to protect you guys from viruses, you guys can also opt in for this one right over here, the Antivirus for Mac, and it can protect to up to 3 devices. It's going to be much cheaper, and it's not going to have a lot of the fancy features that we talked about. However, it's going to give you that basic protection. And you can also have that for your phone, whether it be an iOS or an Android. And there you guys have it. As you guys saw, Bitdefender is going to be a top tier solution when it comes to both beginner and seasoned users. It has very comprehensive features, high detection rates, but most importantly, it centralizes everything when it comes to you guys' security in one place. While some folks may find the features a little bit overwhelming, the overall performance and value is worth the investment. And if you guys want to try out the platform completely for free, the link for it is going to be below down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys get some value out of this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously supports the channel. Till next time, peace.